Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Today, as you can see here, I have whiteboard. So I will tell you something very important about the vocabulary part. As most of you are asking how to learn the vocabulary and what is the best way to learn the vocabulary in German language. So I will tell you small tips. I'll give you certain tips so that you can improve your vocabulary, how to learn the vocab, and what are the ways that you can memorize. So first thing is very important that articles. Always learn articles. This is very important. Means if you are learning a noun, suppose Tisch, Sofa, die Tasche, das Haus. So always learn with the articles. It means das Haus, die Tasche, okay, der Tisch, das Auto, das Mädchen. So if you learn always a noun with the article, it is easier for you to make a sentence later on. Suppose if I remember an article like das Haus, I'm just giving an example. What is the importance of an article? If I say my house is big, so how do I say my house is big? If I know that article of house is das, and if I make a sentence, it is mein Haus ist groß. So here you can see that I've written mein Haus ist groß. I've written mein Haus. So mein Haus because the article is das. So if you know the article is das, you will not make a mistake. You will say mein Haus. Otherwise, you would make a mistake and say meine Haus, which is wrong. So this is the use of article. If article is das, we don't write any ending. It is mein Haus, dein Haus, unser Haus. So this is just a small example I have given you how to learn article and what is the use of this article. And suppose you say mein Haus ist sehr groß. Mein Freund, nicht meine, mein Freund, because Freund is there. So this is nominative sentence. So if I write Freund, so der Freund. And if I make a sentence, mein Freund ist sehr nett. Mein Freund ist sehr nett. My friend is very nice. Because the article of friend is mein, der. So I say der, it will take mine, not meine. If it's meine, then it would have been meine Freundin, female. Meine Freundin ist sehr nett. So I'm talking about a male friend, a boy. So mein Freund. So this is the use of article. This is very basic to know the noun with article. And also the first alphabet of a noun is capital. As you can see, if you are not aware about the article, you may make a mistake. And there is also very common thing that what is noun in German. So all the words which have article are called noun, simple. Like das Haus, der Junge, die Tasche, mein Auto, das Haus, okay, die Tasche, der Bus, der Zug, die Schule, die Bank, der Stuhl. These are all nouns because they have articles. So all the words that have articles in German are called noun. So this is very simple definition. And you must remember always learn a noun with its article. Der Tisch, die Schule, die Bank, and rest all. So you can easily find a list on the internet what are the articles of different nouns. So you can just go through. At least learn 50 to 100 words with article. Then you can easily make a sentence. So this is about the article. Second thing I will tell you, always learn a noun with a verb. Noun plus verb. Always learn a noun with a verb. It is very important. What does it mean? Suppose I say Spaß haben. Spaß haben, to have fun. If I don't know what will come with Spaß, suppose I write the word Spaß means fun, we know. And what is the verb? Suitable verb, I know. So I will write haben. So Spaß always takes the verb haben. This is important thing. So if you learn this like a pair, so you can easily make a sentence either in present or in perfect tense. Like ich habe viel Spaß. Ich habe viel Spaß. Oder wir haben viel Spaß. This is present tense. If you're talking about your past experience, you're telling your friend, how was your party last night? So you will say, wir haben viel Spaß gehabt. Wir haben viel Spaß gehabt. Because you know the Spaß takes the verb haben, and with haben we use the perfect of haben is gehabt. So similarly, it is the basic. If you know like this pair Spaß haben, you can easily make a sentence either in present tense or in perfect tense. So this is very important thing. This is very important part of vocabulary that you must follow till the level of C1 or C2. From the beginning till A1 till C2. This is very important thing. Okay, we take it easy. We don't take it very seriously, but this is a mistake. You must learn always a noun with the verb. Like Spaß haben. Similarly, we say Zeit verbringen, Geld ausgeben. I'll give you like Geld, money, and what is the verb? Ausgeben. Zeit means time, and what is the verb? Verbringen. This is just an example. You may use some other verbs also, but I'm just giving you an example how to memorize the vocabulary. So if you want to say I spend time with my friends, with my family, so ich verbringe. Otherwise, you will forget. You take time to memorize the word. What is the correct word to say spend time? So ich verbringe Zeit. Okay, I spend time. Ich verbringe Zeit mit der Familie am Wochenende. I spend time with my family on weekend. If you say spend money, then the word is ausgeben. See, this is very important. In English, we say just spend money or spend time. The word is spend. But in German, there are two different words. If you want to say to spend money, Geld ausgeben, it is separable. Geld ausgeben. And for time, Zeit verbringen. So this is the use of vocabulary. If you know which verb takes the particular noun, you can easily memorize and you can make so many sentences. You can speak well, you can write well. So Geld ausgeben. Ich verbringe Zeit, but ich gebe viel Geld aus. Ich gebe viel Geld aus. I spend lot of money. Für Sport. Für meine Arbeit. I spend lot of money for my work. Okay, for my sports activities. So this is you can use like this. So Geld ausgeben, Zeit verbringen. So these are just few examples that you can use. So similarly, there are so many verb noun combination. This is one verb noun combination that is very essential if you want to improve your vocabulary. So this I wanted to tell you today how to learn the vocabulary. This is very essential. Articles with noun, verb noun combination, and then we talk about some adjective. You must learn at least 100 adjectives. What are adjectives in German if I ask you? So you will take time. Adjective means like in English we have adjectives. In Hindi we say विशेषण, जो किसी की विशेषता बताता है. Something that talks about the quality of something. Quality of a noun. Like my house is gross. I read. My house is big. So a gross is an adjective. My house is klein, small. This is adjective. Mein Freund ist nett. My friend is nice. So nett is adjective. Meine Tasche ist rot. My bag is red. So here red color shows here it is an adjective. It plays the role of an adjective because it is telling us about the color of the bag. So all these words are called adjectives. And the first alphabet of an adjective is written small. You can see gross and the alphabet is G, small. So adjective we write with the small alphabet, whereas noun we write with the first alphabet capital. So this is the difference between adjective and noun. So remember, adjective is written with first alphabet small, whereas noun with first alphabet capital. So this is the part of your vocabulary. Must remember these things, very essential for beginners as well as for advanced learners. So I hope you like this small video. In case you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment. I will reply. See you next time with a new topic. Bye bye. Take care.